Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? Hope all is well. Okay, we're a little late on the recording. I popped the daily instant already, but it's cool. We're only 14, only like 40 seconds into it. Not even. Today, what's it? Day 4 now. Looking for a bird. I'm trying a trick. I dropped my daily instant. 3 minutes till 2 o'clock. People were saying that, you drop it 3 minutes till the new hour, it increases your odds. Well, I'm trying it. Also, I heard that if you pop your daily instant in the morning, it's increases your odds for a bird. And also, they said to be on a route. I'm on a route. I'm not gonna fight you, Grunt. Let me shiny check this one. Nothing. Oh, Pidgey, let's go. Pidgey gets a pine nap. You pine nap the Pidgeys. You just have to. Also, y'all see my Snorlax just waddling around. I love it. I love it. Snorlax Comde. May. Niantic. We need this. Make it happen. Please. What we get. That's not off my daily, but I'll throw a ball at you. I got another shiny Lillipup the other day. Got it at like 2 in the morning at my crib. Oh, of course I click on the Lillipup. I want the Oddish. Get out of here. Oddish, hello? Yeah, I pineapped it. Old school Oddish, yo. I'm trying to get my candies back up. I need to power some up. It's the OGs, man. Yeah, that's one that I will dump some Stardust into. Hold on, let me quick catch the Weedle. Pupitar? Oh, F you too, buddy. Wishmer. Not on the instant, but chuck a ball. Any of y'all off my instant? No? What's my task? Win in the Go Battle League. Oh, that's great. Take a snapshot of a wild Pokemon. Use 5 raspberries. Oh, I saw it. I saw it. Whistle. Said raspberries, right? Got him. Oh, wild Exeggutor out here? Hold on, man. Oh, I ain't gonna say it. Hey. 2-star. No, get out of there. Is it the Wishman? It is. Throw a pine at. Yo, I'm doing everything I'm supposed to here. I'm on my daily instant, on a route. The 3rd minute before the new hour. It's not the morning though, so. But still, work with me, game. Come on. Grovin, you're not on my daily. Get out of here. Was it the Sparrow? No. I'll take the Pokestop. Wasn't a nimble. I do need a snapshot. I need to, there we go. That's what I need to do. Yeah. Oh, yo, this cottony. It's pretty damn close. Wait, what are you all? It's not a bird. That's gotta be razzes. Hey. Oh, Pokestop, what we got? I keep clicking on the route. Purified 3 shadow. Alright. We'll do that off camera. Spawns, where my spawns at? Cute fly. Oh my goodness, a bird. No way. No one's ever seen this before. We gotta chair him. What are these spawns, man? How many days is it gonna take for me to get this bird? And all these people, all these Pokemon keep saying F you. Which one's my daily? Is it the Litleo? Yeah. Calm down. Yo, Litleo, calm down. Hey. And there's my 5 raspberries, okay. Caterpie, not off the daily. Chuckle ball, why not? Shiny check on this Maripto. And y'all see how much I got left to walk on this route, but I could already click on Mateo and collect and exchange that gift now if I wanted to. Well, we got a C-Dot. That's great. 2-star. I do want this Pidgeotto though. Caught it too. Let's go. Tangela, Cottony, Wurmple. Everything gets a pineapple, you know, why not? Yeah, is that a no star, really? Yeah. 0. Shine. Yo, Young Goose is good, shiny. Ladybah, on the other hand, pretty disappointing. Ponytail? Let me see if I can hit this excellent. I suck. Never mind. Alright, Cottony. And of course it moves. First try though. Yo, people are in this raid. I want to do this raid so bad, but I'm coming back for raid hour, so I ain't gonna do it. We got 3.5 minutes, just over 3.5 minutes, yo. Can I pull in a bird? These spawns are not helping, yo. Alright, put a little whatever you are. It's cool. It's cool. Didn't even want it. Skitty? What's up, Skitty? Alright, we got another Weedle. You get a pineapple. Oh, what was that bounce? No star. Gotta love it. We could also exchange gifts with Mateo. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Quaxley, can you get out of here? Exchange gift. We'll go ahead and add a sticker. Give him a Mewtwo one and exchange. I wonder where this gift is going to come from though. Ah, Chiba, Japan. Let's see what they give us. Charmander sticker, 300 dust. Great, that's cool. We'll go ahead and complete the route. Yep, complete it. Revives that 4,000 XP. Alright, well, we ain't on a route no more, so hold on. Can I redeem myself with an excellent throw? Yes, I can. Oh, Sparrow, I was gonna leave you behind, buddy. You're a bird, but not the bird I want. It's cool, I'll still keep you. Oh, I don't know about keeping you, but I'll catch you. Might send you off to the professor, you know what I'm saying? Peace out. Oh, what we got? Gulpin. Yo, I want this shiny too, man. I'm having no luck. First try that Gulpin now. Yeah, F you too, buddy. Oh my goodness. 40 seconds. I can get one more spawn. Come on, one more spawn. And verdict is it's a Jigglypuff. No shiny. What if I catch her real quick? Boom. Get one more spawn. No, it ain't gonna happen. Quick catch it. Okay, caught it. 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4. Yeah, that's it. That's it. It's another Jiggly. Jiggly. And of course it runs from us. Alright, there it is. 15 Pokemon. Let me go ahead and just screenshot that. 15 Pokemon. No legendary bird. We are, however, still on the grind for level 49. Trying to get to that 50. We're at 8.2 mil. There's my stats if you want to see them. Like and subscribe for more though. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.